Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making baked sweet onions, or also called Vidalia onions. So what you're going to need for this is two sweet onions or Vidalia onions, and two Bouillon Cubes. Yeah, my tongue's a little twisted today. And then you're going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter per onion that you have. So, and of course, 1 cube for each onion you have. So let's, oh yeah, and also need some aluminum foil and the baking pan, and putting parchment paper on top of it to make it a little easier to clean up afterwards. So let's get this going and see how it all turns out. It should be good. Okay guys, now let's get started with these. I'm going to take the onions, and I got this rinsed off already. What we're going to do is we'll cut off the top part here, and we'll get that going here. And we're going to finish peeling the skin off of the onion, but we're going to leave the bottom, the root part on, but we're going to peel the skin off. So we'll get all that done. Alright, let me go ahead and get the other onion taken care of, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, now we're going to take our paring knife after we got all the skin off and left this. It's going to be a little bit angled, so we'll take care of that a little bit. We want to be very careful with the knife here. We're going to take the paring knife and I'm going to dig out the core of the middle a little bit. Alright, so we're going to do it with this one. Two. Dig that out, and always be careful with the knife when you're cutting. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here. Alright, so we'll take our little bouillon cube and We'll put it down in there, in the hole, and get the second one here, and get it in the cube there. Alright, now I'm going to take our butter, alright, we'll take our butter and we'll kind of squash it down in there. So you want to let the butter soften a little bit beforehand. I could have left it a little bit longer for this, but that'll work. Alright, so now we're almost done here. We're going to take the aluminum foil now. Crumple it up here and wrap around in the onion. We'll put that on the baking pan. We'll get another one out. Alright. We'll wrap it up as well. Now I had the oven preheated for 350. So we're going to put these onions in the oven for an hour at 350. So, and then we'll open them up and see how they taste at that time. Alright, so I'll see you guys here in an hour and we'll try these out and see how they turned out. Okay guys, I got these cooked for an hour and we're gonna open this up here and take a look at it. Boy, these smelled good while they were baking. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. That just smells so good. Go ahead and pull that out. Just dump that on there. Feels so nice and tender. Smells good too. Let's see here. Go ahead and do a little cutting. All right. What? All right, guys. Let's give this a shot and see how it tastes. Well, here we go. Yeah. That's good. Mmm. One more. Mmm. 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 All right. Boy, this is a good flavor. Just seems like just the onion itself is really good, and then the flavors from the bouillon. I don't know why I'm having a hard time with saying bouillon cube tonight, but it adds some good flavors to the onion. And it's very tender, really good to eat, and it just smells so good too. Well, I really enjoy this. I just want to eat it, sit here and eat right now, the whole thing. Oh, jeez. All right, guys. This was the baked sweet onion. It's also called Vidalia onion, which is actually just one brand or one variety of sweet onions, and it actually comes from the name comes from Vidalia, Georgia, down in Georgia. So that is really good. And alright, so this is the baked onion, really good flavor and everything. So this would make really good, it would make a really good side dish for if you had a date or something, or and just be something different to have, and really good for those winter nights too, because the onions are always available. And you also, if you're watching your blood sugar, you might want to be a little bit careful with the onions, because they are they actually have a little bit more sugar than other vegetables do, because they're a root vegetable. So just keep that in mind, but it's still good for you. Just as in all things, you just don't want to overdo it. Okay, guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please take time to leave a comment, and I'll look forward to reading those. And I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Let me eat a little bit more